play with some suggestibility things or imagination games. So I want you to first take your hands like this. Okay, and hold your arm out. Now I want you to take your fingers, these two fingers, and look between them. And imagine, as you look here, imagine magnets in your fingers, pulling the fingers together tighter and tighter. And imagine the fingers moving as they get tighter and tighter and closer. And imagine them getting even closer. And they put rubber bands around them, pulling them tighter and tighter and tighter. Really tight now, tighter and tighter until they touch. And when they touch, it feels wonderful. As the more you try to pull them apart, the tighter they become. Try to pull them apart, they get even tighter and tighter. And stop trying and just pull them apart now. No problem, right? Okay. Now that's one way to do it. I want to do another way too. And that's take your hands like this and put them together this way. And look here. And as you look here, imagine there's a magnet here. And that magnet begins pulling the finger magnets closer and closer. Imagine the finger magnets getting closer and closer and closer and closer. I put a string around it and I tie it tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. Finger magnets get closer and closer until they touch. And when they touch, they get so tight, so tight. The more you try to pull them apart, once more, the tighter they become. Try to pull it apart, it gets even tighter. Try to pull it apart, it gets even tighter and tighter and tighter. And stop trying and just pull it apart. How's that feel? Feel interesting?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do one more variation of that. We're just going to do a whole bunch of these.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to take two hands like this and place the fists together. Okay. And look right here and imagine magnets now in your thumbs. And imagine the magnets in your thumbs getting tighter and tighter, closer and closer and closer. As the magnets begin moving, the thumbs begin moving, they get closer and closer and closer until they touch. And when your thumbs touch, they get so tight. They get so tight. It's really weird because when they touch, you feel wonderful. When they touch, you feel wonderful, but they're tight. So the more you try to pull them apart, that wonderful feeling gets tighter and wonderful, more and more. And stop trying and notice a wonderful feeling. As you pull it apart, you feel even better. How's that feel? Feel weird?
Yeah.
Okay. That's called thumb magnet.